Today we're going to show you 5 delicious and cozy vegetarian recipes that are perfect for the colder months. These recipes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you feeling satisfied and nourished. First up, we have a creamy pumpkin and lentil soup. This recipe is easy to make and only requires a few simple ingredients. You'll need 1 large onion, diced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 3 1 cup of red lentils, rinsed. 4 1 can of pumpkin puree. 5 4 cups of vegetable broth. 6 1 teaspoon of cumin. 7 salt and pepper to taste. In a large pot, sauté the onion and garlic in a bit of olive oil until softened. Add the lentils, pumpkin puree, vegetable broth, cumin, salt, and pepper. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 20 minutes or until the lentils are cooked through. Use an immersion blender to puree the soup until smooth. Garnish with a dollop of sour cream or yogurt and a sprinkle of chopped parsley. Next, we have a hearty and comforting lentil and vegetable shepherd's pie. This recipe is a great way to use up any leftover veggies you have in your fridge. You'll need 1 cup of green lentils, rinsed. 2 cups of water. 3 1 onion, diced. 4 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 5 2 carrots, diced. 6 2 cups of frozen peas. 7 2 cups of mashed potatoes. 8 1/2 cup of grated cheddar cheese. 9 salt and pepper to taste. In a large pot, bring the lentils and water to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 20 minutes or until the lentils are cooked through. In a separate pan, sauté the onion and garlic in a bit of olive oil until softened. Add the carrots and peas and cook for another 5 minutes. Add the cooked lentils and stir to combine. Transfer the mixture to a baking dish and top with the mashed potatoes and grated cheese. Bake in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown and bubbly. Third, we have a delicious and nutritious quinoa and black bean chili. This recipe is a great source of protein and fiber, and can be made in under 30 minutes. You'll need 1 onion, diced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 3 1 red bell pepper, diced. 4 1 can of diced tomatoes. 5 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed. 6 1 cup of quinoa, rinsed. 7 2 cups of vegetable broth. 8 1 teaspoon of cumin. 9 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 10 salt and pepper to taste. In a large pot, sauté the onion, garlic, and bell pepper in a bit of olive oil until softened. Add the diced tomatoes, black beans, quinoa, vegetable broth, cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 20 minutes or until the quinoa is cooked through. Garnish with a dollop of sour cream or yogurt and a sprinkle of chopped cilantro. Fourth, we have a tasty and easy veggie lasagna. This recipe is a great way to sneak in some extra veggies and it's a perfect make-ahead meal. You'll need 1 onion, diced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 3 1 zucchini, sliced. 4 1 eggplant, sliced. 5 1 cup of spinach. 6 1 cup of ricotta cheese. 7 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. 8 1/2 cup of grated parmesan cheese. 9 8 lasagna noodles. 10 salt and pepper to taste. 11. Tomato sauce, as needed. In a large pan, sauté the onion and garlic in a bit of olive oil until softened. Add the zucchini and eggplant and cook for another 5 minutes or until softened. Add the spinach and cook until wilted. Season with salt and pepper. In a separate bowl, mix together the ricotta, mozzarella, and parmesan cheese. To assemble the lasagna, spread a layer of tomato sauce on the bottom of a baking dish. Place 2 lasagna noodles on top of the sauce, then spread a layer of the vegetable mixture on top of the noodles. Spoon a layer of the cheese mixture on top of the vegetables, then repeat the layers, ending with a layer of cheese on top. Cover the dish with foil and bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until the noodles are cooked through. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 10 minutes or until the cheese is golden brown and bubbly. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Finally, we have a simple and satisfying roasted vegetable and chickpea salad. This recipe is a great way to use up any leftover veggies you have in your fridge, and it's perfect for a quick and easy lunch. You'll need 1 red onion, sliced. 2. 1 bell pepper, sliced. 3. 1 zucchini, sliced. 4. 1 eggplant, sliced. 5. 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 6. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. 8. Lemon vinaigrette. 9. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 10. Juice of 1 lemon. 11. 1 clove of garlic, minced. 12. Salt and pepper to taste. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. On a large baking sheet, toss the onion, bell pepper, zucchini, eggplant, and chickpeas with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast for about 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender and golden brown. To make the vinaigrette, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and pepper. Toss the vegetables and chickpeas with the vinaigrette and serve warm or at room temperature. That's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoy these vegetarian comfort food recipes and feel nourished and satisfied.